It's Gollum here, and this is the end of my car Leviathan, the Suzuki Wagon R. It's a beautiful car.
Impossible to dent.
Impossible to dent, we've tried. I put a screwdriver in it there because the engine seized up. Helen seized my engine, didn't you?
I did, yeah.
Yeah. So it's going. I have a Fiat Punto now. Basically a Ferrari. So goodbye Leviathan. I've yet to think of a name for my Fiat Punto, which is that one there, the blue one. So if anybody's got any suggestions of names, let me know. We're scrapping this, we're just waiting for the man to come and pick it up. Goodbye. Helen's going to work the boot in now. Go on, give it some bollocks. Oh, the violence. Oh, fucking undentable. Don't bloody run though. There she goes. Goodbye Daisy.
Daisy?
Oh no, it's not Daisy. Goodbye Leviathan. Welcome to the new, the Fiat Punto, which I haven't decided on a name yet. Goodbye Leviathan. So anyway, that's me Punto. If you can come up with a name, please do. Gollum signing off. Sayonara.